gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
Here's the OPPO Pad Mini, and it really got me thinking, what would happen if this became part of my everyday workflow in the future? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about what a compact tablet like this can actually do in the hands of film and video creators. What role could it play in real production work, and how useful can it actually be?
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The very first thing that comes to mind is video editing. Now that professional editing software has been fully optimized for Android devices, you can basically achieve a complete editing workflow directly on a mobile platform. The issue with smartphones, though, is that their screens are simply too small for precise editing work. That's where a tablet becomes a much better option. The OPPO Pad Mini comes with an 8.8-inch display and a slim, lightweight design that makes it incredibly portable and easy to carry around. It fits perfectly into a mobile workflow without feeling bulky. Inside, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor gives it the performance needed for heavier tasks like video editing. While editing 4K footage on the timeline using the OPPO Pad Mini, everything from color grading to transitions, effects, and exporting the final video felt smooth and responsive. The whole experience was seamless. Because of that, this lightweight and reasonably sized tablet can actually handle more advanced professional tasks when paired with full desktop-style software and strong hardware. It helps improve efficiency and flexibility without making the workload feel heavier. And it's not only useful for post-production. During the filming stage itself, the OPPO Pad Mini can also improve the shooting experience. Used as a wireless monitor and remote control for cameras, its size feels just right for setup and operation. The 2.5K OLED soft light display delivers clear visuals and accurate colors while reducing glare that could interfere with monitoring. Overall, it feels reliable, accurate, and comfortable to use on set. It also works really well as a wireless lighting controller. Compared to using a phone, the larger display gives you a much clearer view of settings and controls. The smooth touch response makes adjustments feel more precise, which helps when dialing in lighting setups. Of course, using it only for work would be missing half the fun. During breaks and downtime, the OPPO Pad Mini also turns out to be a great gaming device. We tested a few games that we regularly play, and thanks to the powerful processor, we even experimented with some PS3 emulation. King of Fighters 13 managed to stay close to 60 frames per second most of the time, which was honestly impressive. House of the Dead 4 also performed slightly better compared to the Pad 5 we used previously, and this time the texture rendering issues were completely gone. We also tested Gran Turismo 4 through a PS2 emulator, which demands much stronger hardware performance. Thankfully, the gameplay was extremely smooth overall and delivered a really enjoyable experience. For native Android games, we tried titles like Astride and Delta Force. Combined with the 144Hz high refresh rate display, gameplay felt fluid and responsive throughout. Whether during daily breaks or casual gaming sessions after work, the experience easily met our expectations for entertainment. When it comes to productivity and office tasks, the OPPO Pad Mini also adds several smart features for the stylus, including AI-assisted drawing and writing tools. Whether you're organizing notes, brainstorming ideas, or simply doodling, the AI features can create results that are both useful and entertaining. The new stylus even includes 2 different pen tips designed for different scenarios, which is a thoughtful addition. There's also a ringtone search feature built in for people who constantly misplace their accessories. Overall, the OPPO Pad Mini is getting ready to become a new part of both our work setup and entertainment routine. At the same time, we're still hoping to see more professional-grade software fully optimized for Android tablets, because in many situations, a tablet really feels like the perfect middle ground between a smartphone and a computer. As for pricing, the base version of the OPPO Pad Mini starts at 36.99 yuan in China, which is roughly £402 in the UK and around $542 in the United States. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.